Welcome to the Caliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change font size on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, you might want to change your default font size to a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller depending on your preference. Because if your monitor is too big, you might need to lower the fonts or bigger the fonts depending on your preference. And if your monitor is small, you might want to decrease the font size or even increase it depending on your preference. So I'll show you how to do just that. At first, just go on your desktop, then just right click anywhere. Then from here, just click on display settings. Then from here, you'll see scale and layout. You can select this. From here, you can change a bigger size or a smaller size. For example, if I try to increase the font size, as you can see, the font size has been increased. And if I want to lower the font size, I'll go to 100. As you can see, the font size has been decreased. A perfect balance for me is 125%, so I'm just gonna keep at that. You guys can play around with it and check which one you prefer. And just change it to that. And basically that is how to change font size on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.